Stuck with the Esent.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Quickly resolve Esent library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This DLL file is the Extensible Storage Engine, or ESE, library. It provides a high-performance transactional database engine used by internal Windows components like Active Directory to manage structured system data. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Esent library DLL is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregister the Esent library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like the Esent library DLL in your System.dll folder. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the Esent library. To keep the Esent library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.